The old road was not only a road, it was a way of life, slow and often rough.
At the turn of the 19th century, America experienced a paradigm shift. One that turned the power of a horse into horsepower. With one man's creation of the first automobile,
the gas engine produces power by burning fuel in a small enclosed space.
The futures of countless lives were set in motion. One idea building entire industries. It was this revolutionary time that placed the mechanic at the forefront of progress.
The good serviceman is really 4 mechanics in one.
And called on them again and again to keep our machines running, food on our tables, and break the boundaries of what we thought possible. WyoTech continues to honor the spirit of innovative leaders in the auto diesel industry, training first-class technicians that will progress on to break their own glass ceilings. Know your brand, forge your path. Become one of this generation's next innovators at WyoTech.